welcome again to Math Sessions SA, and today we are solving equations grade number 7. So we have this equation here, which is 2 over 3x is equal to 266. So when we are solving equations, we are basically fighting that we leave x alone on the other side of the equal sign, and leave the numbers alone or a constant on the other side of the equal sign, which will be the value of x. So now, let's break it down. We have 2 over 3x, meaning now 2 over 3x is the same as 2x over 3. This is equal to 266. So now we have a better view of the equation now, because we know on that side 266 is over 1. So we have a fraction on this side of the equal sign and a fraction on the other side of the equal sign, just to see things clearly, because we know the rule says when you have two fractions separated by the equal sign, both those fractions, when you want to solve an unknown, you must cross multiply. Meaning this denominator on this side must multiply with that denominator right there. Meaning now we are going to take our 266 and we are going to multiply it by 3. So when you multiply and go straight to your calculator, you are going to have 266 multiplied by 3, you should have 798 is equal to this denominator here multiplied by the numerator there, meaning 2x multiplied by 1 is the same as 2x. So now we see it now. And then what else do we do? We have an x, a 2 next to an x, so we must eliminate the number or the constant next to the unknown, which is 2, by dividing, because the constant is multiplying the unknown. Therefore, to get rid of it, you must divide by the same constant or number or value. So in this case, we divide by 2, and what you do on this side of the equal sign, you must do also on this side of the equal sign, you divide by the same value, which is 2. So we are having these 2 cancelling that 2, and we are having now x on this side, which is equal to 798 divided by 2, you should have a 399. So this equation has been solved, and we know the value of x. So today we are going to solve equations and wait for a very interesting equation we are going to solve just after the break. So I will see you after this one.
Turn right onto Western Avenue. You have reached your destination.
One more.
One more time.
Turn right onto Western Avenue.
ID Light in the all-electric ID4. It's the little things. It's a VW.
Welcome back, guys. Again, we are solving equations grade number 7, and this equation, our 7th equation, we are having 2 inside the bracket multiplied by x plus 1 over 2. All of this is equal to negative 15. Now, let's find out x. Now, the problem that we are having, first things first for this one, is the bracket. So we apply BODMAS. We get rid of the bracket by multiplying the number on the outside, whatever it is on the inside. Meaning that the number that is outside multiplies each of these terms. This is the first term and the second term. And we know that terms are separated by a plus or a minus sign. So 2 times x, you are going to have a 2x. 2 times a half, you are going to have a 1. So it's plus 1 is equal to negative 15. So now we are having 2x plus 1 equals to negative 15. What else we should do here? We take the 1 on the other side of the equal sign, so we are going to be left with 2x on this side, and therefore the 1 is going to go on that side, and it's going to change the sign. It's going to be equal to negative 1, because on this side of the equal sign it was positive, and the rule says whatever you take on the other side of the equal sign, it must change the sign. So there we have our negative 1. So negative 1, negative 15 minus negative 1, it should give us a negative 16, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it should give us a negative 16. So we have a negative 16 on this side, and we have a 2x on this side. Therefore now we go back to the same strategy we did on the previous equation. We divide by 2 because we want to get rid of what whatever is multiplying the unknown, in this case, what we do on this side of the equal sign, you must do also on the other side of the equal sign. Therefore, we divide by 2. And this cancels that one, and we are left with only x on the side. X is equal to negative 8. So, this is basically how we solve equations on grade number 7. It's so easy, and it's so simple, and straightforward with Mr. M. So, I'll see you next time. God bless you. Bye-bye.